Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Grace Nyawera, and here we learn how to prepare simple meals using simple ingredients. Kindly, if you've not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can join my notification family. So guys, hey, msishangae seeing me dressed like this. Guys, July came early. Yeah, it's, hey guys, it's cold. If wherever you are it's not freezing, thank God. So guys, what's cooking in the kitchen today? Let us find out. So guys, today we are preparing carrot pancakes. So this is a quick snack to prepare. So for the ingredient, guys, we're gonna be using self-raising flour, half a grated carrot. I use the small holes. Then I will be using half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, an egg, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3/4 cups of milk, but my milk is cooling down at the moment. I won't talk much since it's a very simple process. So guys, kindly enjoy. I love to sift my flour because this allows me to aerate the flour. So I always realize that when my flour passes through this process, my pancakes are more spongy, and I don't know, they are better than when not sifted. That's my finding. So yeah, that's why you see me sifting my flour. I forgot to mention, guys, my flour was 2 cups. That is a portion that will give you 5 to 6 medium-sized pancakes. I don't like the thick pancakes. Also don't like the too small pancakes. I love big pancakes, but not very thin and not very thick. I only add very little oil to just oil the pan because I added oil in the flour. Remember to cook on low heat so that your pancakes do not burn. Guys, I present to you my carrot pancakes. Don't they look lovely, guys? So you can serve these pancakes with a sausage on the side, some fruits as well, and a cup of tea. Especially during this cold season, you can serve this at 4 p.m. in the evening. You can also serve them for breakfast. Yeah, and they are enriched. So that's why we added our carrot to make sure that we are serving healthy snacks. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the process, kindly give the video a thumbs up. You can also go ahead and share the video out, guys. So that's it for today, guys. Till next time. Bye bye.